So basically from here, what we are going to do, of course, if you are like me, we just grabbed a cup of coffee and we're gonna get right back into this. But we know now that we've planned out a flight, we have all of our little waypoints, right? And what we're going to do is we see our chart or our little taxi diagram, we'll say on our actual VFR chart. So what ends up happening next is up here in our actual flight planning section, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on this guy here, this little basically bag. We're going to do what we call pack the route, right? So when we click on this, what will end up happening is we can click on pack, and what this is going to do is it's going to save all of these different, the weather, the fuel prices, airport NOTAM is going to download it for that little section. Just like when we go on WX Brief, 1-800-WX Brief, and we know that we got that 50 nautical miles out, and that's where it's for sure saving or basically pulling all the weather from. It's going to do the same thing, just like we see here, that little gray line is everything that's going to pull from. All right, so we'll go ahead and pack it. And we see here, it just takes a second for it to pack. All right. We could show you that here in a second, but so essentially we're all packed, all right? We're closed. We'll close that up. We'll close up our flight plan. And now we know where we're at, where we're gonna go. We know we have the most current weather for this whole section, NOTAMs, anything that might be important, including our gas and fuel prices, things like that.